Now we are going to see about mode. Mode is nothing but it is the value among the given data which occurs most often. That is, which is having the maximum frequency. So mode means which is having maximum frequency. The first example, this is a data given here. No, it is called raw data. Okay, the wickets taken by a bowler in 10 cricket matches are as follows. So totally 10 values are given and it is about the bowler, how many wickets he has taken. We are going to find what is mode. Mode means what? Which is having maximum frequency. Maximum frequency means which occurs most often. See, 2, 6, 4, 5, 0, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. 2 occurs one time, 2 occurs the second time, and 2 occurs third time. So 2 occurs 3 times. 0 one time, 1 one time, and 3 2 time. 3 2 times. And 6 one time, 4 one time, 5 one time. So 2 is the value which occurs the maximum number of times. Therefore, mode is 2. So their data given is a raw data and in that we have calculated mode. This is the formula for finding mode of a grouped data. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, where L is the lower limit of the modal class and H is the class interval size of the class interval, and F1 is the frequency of the modal class. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class, and F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. So if we take F1 as the frequency of the modal class, means the value which is above is called F0 and the value which is below is called F2. This is a problem given in grouped data. A survey conducted on 20 households in a locality by a group of students resulted in the following frequency table for the number of family members in the household. This is the family size, that is number of members in the family and number of families. So how many families are having within this size? So 1 2 3 it is 7, 3 2 5 it is 8, 5 2 7 it is 2, 7 to 9 it is 2, and 9 to 11 it is 1. Which is having maximum frequency? This is having maximum frequency. So what we have to find? We have to find what is mode. So find mode. So this only we are going to find. For that, since the data given is a grouped data, we have to use the formula mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So which is F1? The maximum frequency which is having, no, that is F1. 8 is the maximum frequency, it is F1, right? And the lower limit in the modal class, this class is called modal class. This class is called modal class and the lower limit in that class is denoted by L. This is F1 means the previous one is F0 and the succeeding one is F2. So F1 equal to 8, F0 equal to 7, F2 equal to 2, and L is the lower limit of the modal class, which is 3. Finally, we have one more H, the size of the class intervals. What is the size of the class intervals given? 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Everything is having the size 2. So H is equal to 2. All the values we got, we have to substitute everything in the formula. I have taken everything here. 3, 5 is the modal class. L is the lower limit of the modal class. L equal to 3. H is the size of the class. And F0, F1, F2. The formula for mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So which is equal to, what is L here? 3. Plus F1 is 8 minus F0. F0 is 7. By 2F1. 2 into 2 it is 4 minus F0 is 7 minus F naught is 7. I'm sorry, 1 minute. F1 is 8 minus F naught is 7 by 2 F1. 2 into F1. F1 is 8. So 2 into 8, 16 minus F naught is 7 minus F2 is 2 into the length of the class interval 2. So 3 plus 8 minus 7 by 16 minus 7 minus 2 into 2. 8 minus 7 is 1. 16 minus this is 9. So it is 7 into 2. We can take that here. So 3 plus 2 by 7, which is equal to 3 plus. So when we divide 20 by 7, we are getting 0.2857. Either you can take this or you can take the approximation as 0.286. So 0.286, which is approximately equal to 3.286. So this is the mode. Is it clear? The next problem is the maximum distribution of 30 students in the mathematics examination are as follows. Find the mode of this data, and also we are going to compare this mode with the mean. Already we have done this problem and we got the mean value as 62. Mean means the average of the marks which every student is getting. Average, they are getting 62. In mode, we are going to calculate the maximum mark which a student got. So the maximum mark of a student and the average mark of every student. The average mark already we have calculated, it is 62. Okay, come to the data given. This is a grouped data. In that the maximum frequency is 7. So this is our F1. The previous one is F0. The next one is F2. This is the lower limit L. And the size. What is the size we are having? H is equal to 15. So H is equal to 15, L equal to 40, F0 is 3, F1 is 7 and F2 is 6. Here is the values what we got. This is the model class and I have written all the values. This is the formula where we are going to replace L by 40 plus F1 7 minus F0 is 3 by 2 into F1, that is 14 minus F0 is 3 minus F2 is 6 into 15, which is equal to 40 plus 4 by 5 into 15. So on cancellation we are getting 3. So it is equal to 40 plus 12. Finally it is 52. So final answer, they are asking to compare mean and mode. Already we got this mean. If this problem is asked means both the values you have to calculate, mean as well as mode. Already we did mean, here the calculation of mode. So combining these two together, you have to do this problem. And we have to compare both the results. The mean marks of every student is 62 and the maximum mark of every student, which is the maximum mark? No, that is mode. Mode is 52. So this is 62 and this is 52. Finally, you have to write it down. Is it clear? Now come to the median. The median is the measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation. Median means it is the mid value. So in the mid value, if the data given is ungrouped data, that is a raw data, for calculating the middle value, we have to take, when n is odd, the median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. If it is even means in between we have two values, no. So we have to take the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observations. So this is the problem. We are going to find the median for the given data. Marks and the corresponding number of students are given. For the data given, we are going to find the median. Okay, for finding the median, we have to find, since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values are given, we are going to find the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. Before going into that, first what we have to do is, we have to arrange the given data in ascending order. The values, the marks given now 20, 29, 28, 33, 42, 38, 43, 25. We have to arrange these values in ascending order. Correspondingly, we have to write the frequencies given. which is the least value, where we have to start with 20. So 20, for that the corresponding number of students are 6. So for 20 it is 6. What is the next value? 25. So for 25 the frequency given is 20. What is the next value? 28. For 28 the frequency is 24. What is the next value? So like that we have to arrange the given data in ascending order. The order what we got is 20, 25, 28, 29, 33, 38, 42 and 42 and 43. Accordingly, you have to write the frequencies given. So for 20, the frequency given is 20. For 25, the frequency given for 25, the frequency given is 20. Like that, we have to arrange everything and we have written everything in ascending order. This is the table where we are going to calculate a new thing which is termed as cumulative frequencies. Cumulating means we are adding the frequencies. In the data, they have given, this is the ungrouped data. In the data, they have given marks in this order. But I am not going to take this. I am going to take from 0 to 20, from 0 to 25, 0 to 28, 0 to 0 to 0 to 38, 0 to 42 and 0 to 43. Like that I am going to take. From 0 to 20 means the first value as it is I can take. From 0 to 20, 0 to 25 means 0 to 20 and plus 21 to 25. 0 to 20 is 6 and 21 to 25 is the given data. So 6 plus 20. 6 plus 20 which is 26. The third one is 0 to 28 means adding all three. Already we have added the first two, 26. 26 plus 20. So 26 plus 24. I'm sorry, it is 24. It is 50. Like that we have to add. The next value is 50 plus 28 which is 78. Then 78 plus 15. 93. 93 plus 4, 97. 97 plus 1, I'm sorry, it is 2, 99. Finally, 99 plus 1 which is 100. This is our n. N equal to 100. N is nothing but adding all these frequencies. Finally, we have to write no summation Fi, which is actually when you add this is 100. That is N. N is, here we are using the symbol small n, not capital N. Small n is equal to total number of frequencies, that is N. When you find the cumulative frequencies, the last value what we get, no, that is n. If you are not getting n means somewhere you have done a mistake. So you can redo it and you can rectify your mistake. So keep this in mind. Whatever cumulative frequency at last we are getting, no, that is the total number of frequencies. Okay. And here I have mentioned the class intervals as 0 to 20, 0 to 25, 0 to 28. No. You can use the term, it is up to 20. Up to 20 means from the least value 0 to 20. And here we can use the term up to 25. So up to 25 means from 0 to 25. So up to 28, up to 29, up to 33, up to 38, up to 42 and up to 43. How many values are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 values are given. 8 values are given. So n, the number of values are even. The number of values are even. So we have to find n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. N by 2 means 100 by 2, which is 50th observation. The next one is 50 by plus 1. 51th observation. So in cumulative frequencies we have to go for 50 and 51. For 50, these two values we have to locate in the cumulative frequencies. Exact this value if you are able to get means no problem, you can take it. Otherwise if you are not able to get 51 means go for the next integer. Don't go with the least one. Don't go with the least one, the next integer or the next integer which is greater than this integer. For this 50, exact 50 we have, and the value corresponds to that is 28. We have to go with x. So for 50, the x value is 28, right? And for 51, we don't have 51. This is lesser than 51, no. So go with the next integer which is greater than 51, 78. And 78 corresponds to the x value 29. So 78 corresponds to 29 and 50 corresponds to 28. Average of these two. Because when n is even, the median is the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So average of these two, that is 28.5. So median for this problem, the answer what we are getting, no, it is 28.5. Is it clear? Now come to the median of a grouped data. So grouped data means we will have class intervals. The median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF. CF means it is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency by F into H. The description for this is L is the lower limit of the median class. Whichever class we are taking, no median class, the lower limit of it. And n is the number of observations given, the data given. And CF is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So which is before the median class, no. In that, the cumulative frequency what we are having, no, that is CF. And F is the frequency of the median class and H is the class size. I repeat the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L is the lower limit of the median class, n is the number of observations, and CF corresponds to the cumulative frequency which is before the median class, preceding the median class, and F is the frequency of the median class and H is the class size. Come to the problem. We are going to find the median for the following data. The marks are given and the corresponding number of students, that is frequencies, are given. This is a grouped data. For the grouped data, the formula for finding the median is, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. First we have to find the cumulative frequencies. Come to the solution. For using the formula, first we have to find what is the cumulative frequencies. These two are the data given, and the third column what we are going to do, no, that is cumulative frequency. How to find the cumulative frequency? The first value as it is we have to take, and for the second value we have to add these two. So 5 plus 3 which is 8, and the third value 8 plus 4, because in 8 we have added the first two, no, so 8 plus 4 it is 12. Then 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. And now adding all the values, finally we are getting 53. So n is equal to 53. So is it clear how we are getting this? 12 plus 3, 15. Then 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. 29 plus 9, 38, 38 plus 7, 45, and finally 45 plus 8 which is 53. So we are getting 53 as n. Now we have to find n by 2, that is 53 by 2 which is 26.5. 26.5 exactly, if you are able to locate, means locate or go with the next highest value. 22 is lesser, so for 26.5 we have to go with this 29. So 29 is greater than 26.5. So the class which corresponds to that, no, this is the median class. So this is the median class. In that median class we have to take the values. Which is the lower limit? This is the lower limit. So L is equal to 60. What is H? The distance, the size of the class interval. Size of the class interval is 10. And this, no. The frequency in the median class, it is denoted by F, and the cumulative frequency which is preceding the modal value. Preceding means which is above the 29, that is CF. I repeat, we have to calculate the cumulative frequencies. What is the last value we are getting? No, that is n. N by 2 we have to calculate. N by 2 is 26.5. 26.5 exactly, if you are able to look, it means go with that, or x we take the next highest value. So we have to, not 26.5 exactly we can locate, go with the next highest value. The next highest value is 29, which corresponds to the class 60 to 70. So 60 to 70 is the median class. In that, which is the lower limit, no, that is L. L is equal to 60, and the frequency corresponds to the median class, that is F, and the cumulative frequency which is preceding to this median class, that is CF, and the size of the class interval is H. So F is equal to 7 and CF is equal to 22. So the formula what I have for median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L we got as 60, N by 2 26.5, and CF is 22 by 7 into 10. So 60 plus subtraction of these two, subtracting this is 4.5 by 7 into 10. We can combine these two together. So 60 plus 45 by 7. 45 by 7. So when we divide 45 by 7, we are getting 6.42. So approximately we can take 6.4, or else you can take 6.42. So 6.4, which is equal to 66.4. This is our median. Is it clear? The next problem what we have is, in a survey regarding the heights of 51 girls of class 10 of a school was conducted and the following data was obtained. The height in centimeter is given and the number of girls are given. See the data, it is not in a single value, less than 140, less than 145, less than 150, less than 155, 160, and less than 140 means from 0 to 140. Isn't it? Less than 145 means from 0 to 145. This is from 0 to 150, 0 to 155, 0 to 160, and 0 to 165. So the corresponding values what they have given now, they have mentioned as number of girls. Number of girls means these values are not frequencies. These values are cumulative frequencies, because in every data given here no x value from 0 to 140. 0 to 140 the frequency is 4. 0 to 145 means it is from 0 to 140 plus 141 to 145. The cumulative frequencies are given. Usually when we calculate median, we are going to find median means we have to find the cumulative frequencies. No, here they will give the frequency, from that we have to calculate the cumulative frequency. Here the calculation is reversed. They have given the cumulative frequencies. We have to find the frequencies, because when we go for the formula for median, we are in need of F, which belongs to the median class. So the frequency of the median class we need. So we have to find what is the frequency. How we got these frequencies, cumulative frequencies? We have added, no, here the calculation is reversed, so we have to subtract. For example, the first frequency as it is we can take. For finding the second frequency, the first and second are combined. So the frequency for the second one is 11 minus 4, which is 7. Is it clear how we are calculating this? The second one is 29 minus 11. 29 minus 11, which is 18. Then 40 minus 29. 46 minus 40 minus 29. Then 46 minus 40. Then 51 minus 46. Using this, first you have to find what is F. Then this also we need. And finally, we will go with the formula. Now come to this table. We are going to write the table in all data given in a single table. Class interval, frequency, and cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequencies are given. Class intervals, they are given less than 140, less than 145. Not in that way I am going to take. Less than 140 means it is from 0 to again I'll say this is the table which we are going to take for finding the median class. The first column is class interval, the second one is frequency, and the third one is cumulative frequency. In the cumulative frequencies, we have to take down the data what is given. Frequency, we have to calculate these values, we have to calculate and write it down. And the class intervals, they have given the class intervals for cumulative frequencies in the problem. But we have to write as a grouped data. In class intervals, we have to write that is the lower limit and an upper limit. Less than 140 means from 0 to 140. So in the first place, I can include as 0 to 140. So here it is 0 to 140. And the second one, no. Second one, they have given less than 145. Less than 145 means we can write it down as, because here we stopped up to 140. No, there we have to start with. So 140 to 145. The third one is up to 150. So from 145 to 150. Then 150 to 155. 155 to 160. Then 160 to 165. Like that we have to write with the least one and the upper limit. Least and upper limit. Is it clear? Now we have to write down the frequencies. We have to find from this cumulative frequency. The first frequency will come as it is. The second one is 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. The third one is 29 minus 11, which is 18. The fourth one is, like that we have to write all the frequencies. So I have written all the frequencies, the class intervals I have written, and the cumulative frequencies. For finding the median class, we have to find n by 2. This is our n. The last cumulative frequency is n, right? N is equal to 51. 51 by 2, which is 25.5. We have to see this in the cumulative frequency. We have a value which is greater than 25.5 is 29. So 29 is the frequency which having the next integer which is greater than this one. It corresponds to this class. So this is the median class. So this is the median class. In the median class, we have to write what are the values we got. So tell me the values what we got. What is L? L is the least in the median class. So this is L. And H is the length of the interval. H is 5. Am I right? H is 5. Then this is the frequency what we have. So F is equal to, what is F? F is equal to 18. And CF, what is CF? CF is equal to the cumulative frequency preceding the median class. So it is 11. So L is equal to 145, H is equal to 15, F is equal to 18, and CF is equal to 11. So these are the values which we are going to substitute in the formula. So 145 plus n by 2 is 25.5 minus CF is 11 by F. What is F? 18 into H is 5. H is 5. So on simplifying this, we are getting the answer as, final answer we are getting as 149.03. At least 2 decimals we can take. Is it clear? The next one is we are going to find the missing frequencies. They will miss some values. Using the data given, we have to find the missing frequencies. Okay. So here the median of the following data is given. Of frequency n is also given, and the class intervals and frequencies are given. In that, 2 frequencies are missing. X and Y is not given. Given data, these 2 values, no, making use of that, we have to find what is X and what is Y. Since we are going to use the median, we have to find the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency means how we got that. First frequency is 2. The next one is 5 plus 2, 7. The next one is X, 7 plus X. Then 7 plus X plus 12. These 2 numbers only we have to add. So 19 plus X. Like that we have to add all the values. Wherever we are having X and Y, keep the values as it is. Only you have to add the number values. So these are the cumulative frequencies. Wherever you are having x, keep as it is, x and y. Other number values I have added, and the last value I am getting as 76 plus x plus y. From the given data, the median given is 525 and n is equal to 100. We know that the last value is n. So n is equal to 100 means this is equal to 100. This is equation number 1, because we are going to find two values, no unknown values, x and y. If the number of unknowns are 2 means we are in need of two equations. So from n we have got one equation, that is 76 plus x plus y equal to 100. This is equation number 1. From the median we have to take the second equation, which is the median value given 525. 525 lies in this interval. So this is the median class. How we are getting this median class? How we are getting this median class? From the given data. 525 is the median class which lies in this class interval. Therefore 500 to 600 is the median class. So in the median class, whichever value is least known, that is L. So L is equal to 500. This corresponds to F and this corresponds to CF. What is H? H is equal to 100. So H is equal to 100, L is equal to 500, F equal to 20 and CF is equal to 36 plus X. We are going to substitute everything in the median formula. I have taken everything what we got here and the median formula. I'm going to substitute everything here. So median given is 525 plus L is 500 minus, it is plus 525 is equal to, it is 525 equal to 500 plus n by 2 is 50 minus CF is 36 plus x. This negative sign is common to both the terms. So put the term in a bracket by F. What is F? 20. Everything into H. What is H? 100. So 525 is equal to 500 plus 50 minus 36 plus x by 20 into 100. We can cancel this with this, since multiplication and division we can cancel. So it is 5. Okay. So what we are getting here is 525. We can take this term to the other side. Minus 500 equal to 50. Minus sign is common, no? So minus 36 minus x. Everything outside we have 15. On subtraction of this we are getting, what we are getting? 25 is equal to, we can subtract these two. So it is 14 minus, this is x and not 3. This is x minus x into 5. So what we are getting is 25 is equal to 14 into 5. It is 70 minus 5x. So which implies, since x is in negative sign, I can take this to this side and this to this side. So 5x will become positive 70 minus 25, which implies 5x is equal to 70 minus 25 is 45. So x is equal to 45 by 5, which is equal to 9. X is equal to 9. Already we have one equation connecting x and y. No, this is the equation what we have for x and y. 76 plus x plus y equal to 100. Now we got x as 9. We are going to substitute that here. So which implies 76 plus 9 plus y equal to 100. On simplifying this we are getting 85 plus y equal to 100. Y is equal to 100 minus 85. Y is equal to 15. So we got the missing values. We got the answers as x is equal to 9 and y equal to 15. So using the data given, we got the missing frequencies. Is it clear? So far we saw about mean, median, mode, and we did problems. For mean we have 3 different methods, and for median and mode we did problems. We have 2 different type of data. One is grouped, the other one is ungrouped. in your exam they may ask you to combine everything together for a single data. We did problems separately, study all the formulae, and if they ask you to calculate all the three means, you can definitely do it. See, here in this chapter the formula is easy. The only part what you have to concentrate is the calculation, because manually only you are working, no, so it will take some time. You may get lengthy calculations. For reducing that only, we have for calculating mean, no, we have two different methods, second and third. You can go with that. So the chapter what we have is quite easy, but you have to be very careful when doing the calculations. Is it clear? Thank you.